On the 12th of March 2024, in the city of Orange, Texas, police were dispatched to a small suburban home after receiving a disturbance call from a man Heather's ex-husband. He reported that a physical altercation was taking place between him and Heather, involving property damage and threats of violence.
Ma'am, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands now.
Can't see my hands.
No, I can't. You got something in your hands and I can't see them.
I'll tell you right now.
Thank you very much.
Get that shit off me right now.
It's not pointed at you.
All
But
right.
you're calling dispatch telling them you got guns and knives and all kinds of
right
stuff?
now he's damaged my property.
Okay, that's fine.
Y'all been out here, been impotent, gave my grandbaby to somebody neglectful and abusive. Now he's got a vicious dog in there.
Isn't
now
that your
he's
dog?
damaged my property anyway. What I have in my house is what I have in my house. I will defend myself and my family.
Okay.
And don't ever point nothing at me.
Did I point anything at you?
I felt that was pointed and
You
ready
can
to be
feel,
raised
you
in
can
my
feel however
direction.
you want, man.
I felt that was ready to be raised in my direction.
Absolutely, because you said
came
you're
up
armed with a
that.
firearm.
Absolutely ready to be raised in your direction.
I don't have to lie. I don't have to lie.
When you call dispatch and say I got guns and knives and I'm ready to use them, you can expect me to show up.
I'm not telling you I don't.
I didn't ask you to.
What is he doing, ma'am?
This is he broke that window. You know what? This property, I don't give a fuck about this property, but when he comes out because his behavior is getting worse and he hurts somebody in that house, I'm going to do my due diligence because y'all won't.
Okay.
This is my due diligence. I've made the call. It's recorded. Y'all don't want to do your job. I'll do my job.
Ma'am, what did he do that's criminal?
You think damage of my property is okay?
If he lives here, yes,
You
ma'am.
think shoving my son is okay?
Nope.
You think allowing my grandchild to be taken out of here to somebody that's abusive and neglectful is okay?
Nope.
Port Orange Police! What's going on now?
I don't know where they are.
Tension rose almost immediately as officers approached the woman. Heather stood on the front porch, her voice filled with anger and defensiveness, insisting that the police had come to the wrong house and never do anything to help her. The atmosphere quickly grew heavy, signaling an inevitable confrontation.
Ma'am, you're going to take yourself to jail real quick. I'm telling you, back up now.
I'm
Back
going-
up now.
Hey, please don't put your hands on me.
Then I told you to stop,
It's not
did I
okay
not?
for you to
Did I
put
tell
your
you to stop?
hands on
Sit
me.
down now.
No.
Sit down!
I'm not
All
a
right,
dog.
You're going to jail. You don't want to listen, you can go to jail.
That's all right. Standing here, I'm going to jail for standing here because you shoved me.
I'm conducting a lawful investigation. You don't want to listen, you can go to jail.
For? What's the charge?
Resisting an officer's lawful command.
No, you
We're
shoved
conducting an
me.
investigation. My partner's over there.
Get
trying
my
to
bail.
conduct his investigation,
Get my bail.
And you're charging towards him. I told you to stop.
I didn't
twice,
charge
and
towards
I stopped.
anybody. I tried to go around you. You're a liar.
Okay, you can't just go around me when I'm telling you to stop.
Listen
Okay?
to me.
When I tell you to
I
stop, it
can
means
go to
stop,
my house.
not do what you want.
I can go in my
No, you
house.
can't.
I didn't present
No,
any
you can't.
danger to you. You came up here with your
Listen
shit
to me.
ready to be raised at me.
Listen to me. When
No,
we're
I'm
conducting a
going to
lawful
jail.
investigation,
Well, if I'm going to jail, we're done talking.
ma'am, if you'd shut your mouth for a second, maybe you won't.
Behave, would you? Please? Please.
He's not going to hurt nobody in my house. He's not going to let his
You
dog
called us
bite
here.
her. No, I didn't. You
not
need to
even
listen
here.
to the recording. Yes, he is here.
You didn't call us here?
No, I said don't send an officer. They won't do shit.
He might
Yes,
be
he
locked
is here.
inside the
You didn't call
room
us
then.
here?
Then why would you call the police?
I said this is my due diligence and somebody's going to get hurt.
Let's go
if he
talk to
doesn't
him.
stop.
If you didn't
I
want
didn't
the
call
police to come.
911. I called the police department.
Give me a second.
No.
I have to put the dogs away.
Yeah, that's fine. Put the dogs away.
Get hurt? Yeah, no. No, that chair's going to break. I don't fucking care.
Okay. Well,
I
you
got
can't
bail.
control
I'll
yourself.
explain
If
to
you
the
wanna
job.
If you want to go to
No,
jail,
I
you
can
go to
control
jail.
myself and my family and people that want to hurt it. Hurt my family.
Here, walk over the
You're
stairs.
damn
You can have-
right.
The officers had to handcuff her immediately due to her aggressive behavior and refusal to comply with their commands.
Please take your hand off me.
No,
it
ma'am.
really makes me angry.
What makes me angry is you charging towards my partner over there.
I
while
didn't
he's
charge
trying to-
towards anybody. I tried to walk around. Please don't act like I've tried to be aggressive with you because I
Ma'am,
haven't.
you
That's a
cannot-
bold-faced lie.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm going to defend my family. That's my fucking senses. And if y'all think it ain't, you wouldn't do it in your home, y'all need to come to your motherfucking senses.
Ma'am, when there's three law enforcement officers here conducting a lawful investigation as a result of you calling us here,
I didn't call you.
Shut up for a
Actually,
second.
you need to listen to the.
Ma'am,
you need to, and I didn't
can you
call
be quiet for a
911.
second and listen? Gosh, are you trying to go to jail?
I don't care.
Do you want to go to jail? Because if you want to go to jail, then we can just go. But I'm trying to explain things to you.
Do what you want.
Okay.
I tried to walk by you. I was not aggressive to you.
You're literally admitting what the charge would be. You tried to walk by me when I told you to stop. You tried to walk back towards the other officers.
I present no danger to you, so why shouldn't I walk by you?
You are not allowed to go wherever you please while we're conducting a criminal investigation.
What criminal investigation? You saw my hands.
If you shut your mouth for a second, I can
tell you.
You saw my
hands, didn't you?
If you would be quiet, I can tell you.
Basically, though, we thought he was gone, and there was a broken window. He broke the window out, and so she yelled at him and told him to fix it.
You called us here for a disturbance involving you and another person. When we got here...
Let go of my arm. I've been beaten a lot by men.
Okay.
I've been almost
I'm not
killed,
beating you.
And it's really agitating me.
You have to understand this. You're in handcuffs right now. If you are not...
Yeah, I'm in handcuffs.
Stop talking. If you're not sitting down, I have to hold you so that you don't fall. If I'm not holding you and you fall and hurt yourself...
I'm not going to fall. I'm very sure-footed.
That's fine.
Very sure-footed.
If I'm not holding you...
I'm a very strong, sure-footed I promise.
Is he inside or no?
Yeah, he's inside. He's coming out to talk to us.
He's right here.
I'll sit down, please. Can I sit down?
Yes,
please,
you can.
Please, I need your hands off me.
Okay, once you sit down, my hands will come off.
She even asked the officers for a cigarette, speaking casually as if nothing had happened. One of them refused, reminding her that she didn't smoke. The request, coming right after her arrest, showed how detached and unpredictable her behavior had become, shifting from defiance to an almost indifferent calm within seconds.
Perfect.
Give me a cigarette, son.
No, you can't have a cigarette.
Because you don't smoke, I can't have a cigarette?
Right.
Yeah, that's about what I expect.
What's going on this time?
I haven't done anything.
Okay.
I just came back from the library. I'll show you. I don't want them to know. I just broke this light. I'm gonna get out of here. I don't want to take
Nothing.
Is this your mom, sir?
Nothing.
Can you try and talk some sense into her? Because I don't want to take her to jail, but usually when you put handcuffs on somebody,
They've done nothing.
They calm down.
They let my grandbaby go out into an abusive, neglectful home.
Where are you going to?
They're doing nothing.
Las Vegas. I'm gonna out of here. I'm going to West.
Okay.
With my dog. I have a seat filled with my dog off.
Did your dog bite anybody today?
No.
Stop. You need to stop. You're being stupid.
Did you break a window?
No.
It doesn't matter if you did or not.
No, I did not.
Okay.
I removed
the window get broken?
The window's not broken. The house is 40 years old.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does the window still open and close?
Yes, the window just slides out.
Okay. If you did break a window, you can be found civilly liable. You live here, right, as a resident?
Yes.
How long have you lived here for?
Since April.
Since April?
Yeah. I didn't break it. You can look at it. It's totally...
Do you get any mail here?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any mail you can show me?
Eventually, I promise.
God
help anybody that hurts my family.
Not right now. I mean, you can see my driver's license.
Your driver's license is for here? Okay, that works.
I have my mail going to P.O. Box because it's kind of dangerous here.
I gotcha.
Handcuffs don't mean a thing, because I'm going to be out and home eventually. I'll be out and home eventually, I promise you.
Stop.
God help anybody that hurts my family while I'm gone.
Heather, stop.
William, would you let people sit around and damage your property and hurt
Am I damaging your property?
No, you're manhandling me, unlawfully cuffing me, accusing me of things I didn't do.
You need to calm down and stop.
And I told them don't send a cop because they come out here and behave impotently.
I'm locked myself in my room. I am hiding.
Is there anywhere you can go for today, the rest of the day, just to
I
get
got
out
a
of
dog
here?
with me. I've locked myself in the room. I was going in and out the window to avoid going out the front. I can show you the window. There's no damage to it. It's just the thing's falling apart.
Absolutely.
Go get your phone and film now. You should have started then.
We're filming right now. I'm filming, he's filming, he's filming. We've been filming since we got here. Filmed me telling you to stop. Filmed you trying to walk past me after I told you to stop.
No, I tried to walk past you. That's right. Not touch you, because I don't put my hands on people that don't harm me.
Ma'am, if I thought you were
Which
trying to
now
touch
have.
me, if I thought you were trying to touch me, you wouldn't be just sitting here like this, okay? You'd already be in the back of the car.
You put your hands on me now.
You're right, I did. You're absolutely right, I did. Yes, ma'am. When you're walking towards my partner who's conducting a lawful investigation with somebody that you're engaged in a disturbance
I don't want to hear it.
and I
don't
tell you
want
to
to hear
stop,
it. Y'all
and you
have my
don't
whole
stop.
record. I've never done anything swung on any officer ever.
Heather, just stop.
Ma'am, nobody's accusing you of swinging on me.
So don't act like you think that I was trying to do something to harm him.
You said don't go near my gate. Don't you go near my gate.
I also said don't raise your at me.
And then you started walking towards my partner.
I started walking past you.
Right, towards my partner. You can't do
But
that.
I don't care where you're I don't care where y'all are.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So
Sorry.
there was no physical violence between you and her. The only thing that was an issue was about the window, correct?
It wasn't. She came up here and confronted me when I was going to put my dog here. And so I walked over there. I went out by the window. I have a ladder over there.
Yeah.
So I put my dog in that way, coming back in. She's big. I didn't want to lift her. She's in the room. I'm trying to keep her from, she's threatened to kill multiple times.
So what is your relationship with her?
We were married a long time ago and had a kid. The guy with the beard, kind of back together, not really. I'm leaving. I'm done with it. Never coming back.
As long as y'all the f off my property. Y'all don't do shit here to help me. My 2-year-old grandbaby, that fucking sociopath gets away with
You need to just stop.
She's not going to stop. She'll end up going to jail. So just already start thinking about her bond money, because if this don't change in the next few minutes, I'm just going to put her in my car and we'll be done with it.
Heather, I'm telling you to stop. My name is Mom. Then stop.
How about you act like
Not
mom?
act exactly. You need to stop.
So he's mad because she thinks he broke a window, and even if he did break the window, he's a resident here. Yep.
Am I done? I can lock myself in the room again?
Yeah, man. I appreciate your cooperation.
me to tell me to calm down.
I guess so. Well, unless Mike's taking her.
Taking her for what?
Resisting. Mike told her to stop, and she didn't stop.
That's all him.
You need to act like an adult. I'm giving you
You're acting like an adult.
No, you're not.
And if you wouldn't defend your family, then you need to act like an adult.
There's 4 police officers here right now. You don't need to defend your family,
Oh,
okay?
they're just going to tell him thank you for being so calm.
Well, he's a lot calmer than you are.
Because he's a fucking sociopath. He don't have feelings other than anger and want to fuck. And he can't fuck me because he got his own bedroom, because I know him now 25 years later. So he's trying to fuck his wife.
Stop. No one cares.
You ready? You want my bike? I'm not taking it with me.
No, sir.
It's good.
If you want to contact the police department and try and donate it, you might be able to, but we can't take it from you.
Okay.
Okay?
If you want to stand by her for a second, I'll talk to Lance.
Look, man, if you gave her a lawful command and she didn't follow it, and she was interfering with our ability to investigate.
Oh no, I'm not
Yeah.
asking if we have PC.
No,
I'm asking if you think I should give her the benefit of the doubt and let her go on about her
We've
day.
been out here 5 times
Okay,
today.
there she goes.
The decision was made. Heather would be taken into custody and face the consequences of her actions. As officers escorted her to the patrol car, she continued to protest, but the outcome was no longer in her control. From that moment, the situation had shifted entirely. Her words and behavior earlier had sealed her fate. She was now on her way to face the legal repercussions of everything that had unfolded that day.
All right, ma'am. Go ahead and stand up. You're under arrest for resisting lawful command.
I didn't resist the lawful
Okay,
command.
that's fine. You can explain it to the judge.
All right, because my ex-husband wants me to go to jail. A minute ago, I was getting out, right? Now I'm going to jail.
Well, you wouldn't be quiet. You wouldn't stop. You wouldn't
talk
listen.
to me, I answer. That's right.
Okay. Well, now you can explain that to the judge.
Okay. You leave my family alone with that f***ing psycho tonight. Whatever happens is on you. I
Nope,
promise.
it's on you because you couldn't act like an
No,
adult.
it's in there to damage my property, to hurt my family with my 72-year-old mother who
Stop
has already
acting
been
like a
in
child,
there.
and you won't have that problem.
No,
You
you
start
let
a female.
you leave your
Have a
72-year-old
seat.
mother with him. See how you f***ing feel.
If there's a female available, can you start this way for a search?
Yeah, once you got up, started
Yeah.
walking around the house, I go walk back so I can see where you're at, so that he's not, if you get in an issue with him, I can see both of you. And she starts walking, get away from my porch, start trying to go around towards you guys. I tell her stop. Then she comes towards me, I push her back, and then she starts coming towards me again.
Go ahead and step out.
We're not there.
Step out so I can search you.
I have nothing on, not even no underwear, bro.
Face the car.
Nothing.
Face the car. Spread your feet out. Step back towards me.
And liars, too.
Face the car and spread your feet out.
Actually, the law says you need to get a female officer.
Yep, we don't have a female officer available right now, so I'm going to search you at the back of my hand, okay?
It's not okay.
Okay, well, I'm going to do it. So, back of my hand, 3 cameras. You have anything on you that you're not supposed to have,
You
ma'am?
just touch,
Spread your
please
feet
don't
out.
touch, don't.
If you move again, you're going to be charged with resisting again.
Spread your feet out so I can
I'm going to be
search you.
charged with resisting
Ma'am,
again.
I'm not transporting you anywhere in my car without making sure you don't have a gun or a knife on you, especially after you made statements that you had a gun
Where
and a
do you
knife
think
on
it's
you.
up my snatch?
Ma'am, I have
I'm not
no
wearing
idea.
a bra or underwear. I didn't say I had a gun or knife on me. I
Wouldn't be
said
the
I
first
own
time
a
somebody
gun
had one
and
someplace
knife.
like that.
I'm going to tell you right now, if you don't stop talking, you end up spitting on me while you're talking,
I don't
I'm going to
spit
charge you
on
with battery.
people, okay?
Well, while you're talking, you're spitting. It keeps coming out of your mouth. I'm watching it fly out of your mouth. And I have no desire to have your spit on my face. So if
I
you
did
keep
not
acting
have
like
no
a child,
desire to have you
you'll get a
touching
battery
me,
on a law
believe me.
enforcement officer, too. So keep talking. Ma'am,
Please
you need
stop
to stay
touching
still.
please stop touching my pussy.
You need to stay still. I'm searching you with the back of my hand to make
I
sure
don't
you don't
care
have
if
a
it's the
weapon on
back
you.
of your hand.
I don't-
Okay? Please, stop. I'll get searched when I get to the jail.
No, ma'am, you don't make those decisions. That's not how
Well,
this
you're
works.
not going to keep touching me like that.
I'm going to search you with the back of my hand.
Well, I don't think you need to reach there a third time.
Ma'am, can you please act like an adult and allow me to search you and make sure you don't have any
You've
weapons
already
on
lied
you
to me.
so I can
You've
put you in
already
the car?
lied to me. There's
Ma'am,
nothing I trust
Officer
about
Gilliam
you.
is
Spread
giving
your
you
feet out.
a
You told
lawful
me-
order and conducting
you
a
told me
lawful search
sit
of your
down.
person.
Face
Do
that way.
not,
you continue
do not,
to
please
do that
do
way.
not.
Ma'am,
You told me face that way. I tried to
listen to
lean
me.
forward.
If you move again, I'm going to charge you with resisting again. If you
What-
turn and spit on me, I'm going to charge you with battery on a law enforcement officer,
Listen to
which is
me,
a felony.
I don't spit
you
on
can go
people.
to prison for a year
I don't
for it.
spit on people, okay?
You're spitting as you're talking. Gosh. Half your problems would be solved if you just stop talking. Lift your hands up off your back.
That's what you said over there, and that was a lie. I was talking to my son.
Lift your hands up off your back. Thank you. Searching from this side with the back of my hand.
That's the
All
third time you touched my pussy. Please
Ma'am,
stop.
spread your feet
look,
out.
Look, I'm wearing no
Ma'am,
underwear.
spread your feet out.
Please stop. I don't like it.
You are not going to dictate how this goes. I'm not going to put someone in my
I'm
car
not going to be
that I have
touched
not
by a man
searched
in my private
because
areas.
you want to act
You
like...
already put me in your car.
That's it.
I'm not wearing any underwear, Heather shouted, refusing to let the officers search her. That was her main reason for resisting the pat-down, claiming the search made her uncomfortable and inappropriate. Despite her protests, the officers calmly explained that a brief safety check was mandatory before placing her in the patrol car.
Warner multiple times. Charge her again.
Yeah, I'll charge her again.
What time today you've been out here? Same.
Yeah, and that's what Lance said. Lance said, I said, do you think she deserves the benefit of the doubt? He said no. At this point,
It's been ridiculous.
the problem needs to be solved. So I'm still down 4 reports, but
Yeah, we're down
oh well.
2 and a stuff.
Ma'am, you're being charged with a second charge of resisting, okay?
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right.
The incident with Heather serves as a clear lesson about how quickly emotions can turn a domestic dispute into a criminal case. Her anger, fear, and refusal to cooperate only made her situation worse. Instead of calming down and allowing officers to handle the matter, she escalated the confrontation, resulting in her arrest and multiple charges. Now, Heather will have to face the legal process ahead. She could be fined, placed on probation, or even spend time in jail depending on the court's ruling. Beyond the legal penalties, she must also confront the personal consequences: a damaged family relationship, a criminal record, and the emotional fallout from her own actions. In moments of conflict, staying calm and cooperating with law enforcement isn't just wise. It can be the difference between resolving a problem and creating a lifelong one.